Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, pick the correct cable and inspect both ports for debris. A loose fit blocks data. Plug into the laptop first if you prefer stability, then connect the phone. Once connected, look at the phone screen for a USB prompt. This confirms physical connection. If nothing appears, try a different port or cable. Make sure the laptop is powered on and not in sleep. These first actions establish a solid link so you can move to data mode selection. Once the physical link is live, you must tell the phone what to do. On Android, pull down notifications and choose File Transfer, MTP, to access folders. On iPhone, tap Trust this computer and enter your passcode so Mac OS or Windows can read photos. Now open File Explorer or Finder and wait for the device icon to populate. This may take a few seconds while drivers load. Make sure you choose the correct folder, because moving system folders can break apps. Use copy and paste for safety. You're in the final stretch. Drag or copy files between laptop and phone. Copy then paste to prevent accidental deletion. After transfer is complete, always eject the device safely. In Windows, use the system tray eject or right-click the drive and choose eject. On Mac, use Finder's eject icon. If the phone disappears or transfer stalls, try a different cable, switch USB modes, or restart the phone and laptop. That one troubleshooting tip: swap the cable, solves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.